Hi, thanks for joining us for another Tile Mart University episode. I'm Julee Ireland, an interior design architect and the founder of Home Renovation School. And today, we're going to dive into my top 5 tile and flooring trends for 2025 that are sure to make a significant impact in the design world. From luxurious kitchens and serene baths to dynamic living rooms and inviting outdoor spaces, these trends will revolutionize how we use tiles and flooring to enhance our environments. First up, large format tiles. The trend towards large format tiles is here to stay and continues to grow. These oversized tiles bring a minimalist and seamless aesthetic that's perfect for creating expansive, luxurious spaces. I personally love that they reduce the number of grout lines, making spaces appear larger and more open. And they're ideal for kitchens, baths, fireplaces, focal walls, and so much more. The technology with large format tiles just keeps getting bigger and better. Their marble and stone look mimic nature. You'll be amazed it's not real stone. For the 2025 large format trend, my top tile choice is a Tile Mart Luxury Series. These tiles perfectly exemplify the expansive, seamless look that defines the modern, luxurious spaces we're aiming for in 2025. Number 2, natural stone revival. 2025 will see a resurgence of natural stone tiles with an emphasis on textures, unique shapes, blends, and finishes that bring warmth and character into any space. Expect to see a variety of stone types, including marble, limestone, and travertine, making a comeback in both polished and matte finishes. For 2025's natural stone trend, I've selected the perfect mosaic collection from Daltile. This collection features beautifully crafted marble in various textures and finishes. What I truly love about these mosaics is their versatility and how they blend seamlessly with any natural stone, adding a unique and elegant touch that enhances both classic and modern spaces. Number 3, bold color statements. Moving away from neutrals, 2025 is set to embrace bold and vibrant colors. The new year is all about bold hues like deep blues, vibrant greens, and even daring yellows. These colors are fantastic for creating focal points or adding a touch of playfulness to any room. And the trend for creating monochromatic spaces with color drenching is still going strong. For the vibrant color trend of 2025, I picked the St. Tropez collection from Tile Mart. This collection not only offers a splash of vibrant colors that perfectly capture the spirit of the trend, but its variety of shapes allows for super unique and playful design arrangements that can add a fresh, dynamic feel to any room. Number 4, artisan-inspired craftsmanship. Who doesn't love a handmade tile? Artisan-inspired tiles with intricate designs and handmade looks are still trending in 2025. These tiles reflect craftsmanship and add a unique character and old-world charm to your spaces, resonating with those who appreciate fine, detailed work. For me, there's nothing better than bringing art into a space through tile made by true artisans from around the world. For the 2025 artisan-inspired craftsmanship trend, I've selected Tile Mart's Intermix collection. This series beautifully showcases the fusion of handmade appeal with sophisticated digital designs, offering a stunning range of abstract patterns that come to life under different lighting conditions. The Intermix collection exemplifies the depth and individuality of artisan-crafted tiles, making it a perfect choice for bringing unique character and old-world charm into contemporary spaces. Number 5, eco-friendly materials. Lastly, sustainability is key, and eco-friendly tiles are in high demand. Tiles made from recycled materials or those designed to contribute to sustainable living are not only becoming increasingly popular, they also help to protect the environment and reduce our carbon footprint. Beyond their ecological benefits, eco-friendly tiles offer incredible beauty, durability, and longevity, making them a smart choice for any space in your home. For the 2025 sustainability trend, I've selected Tile Mart's Classique collection from Anthology Tile. This eco-friendly line features tiles made from recycled glass, available in a variety of sizes, styles, and shapes suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Its versatility and the range of artistic options make Classique not just environmentally friendly, but also incredibly adaptable for any design project, marrying sustainability with style seamlessly. Whether you're renovating or just looking to update a few spaces in your home or commercial space, these trends offer something for everyone. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to stay up to date with the latest in-home design and tile tips. Thanks for watching. Make it a great year, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.